guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am Canvas Beauty. I post videos almost every week, so I am thankful for you coming to my channel, checking out what today is going to be. And this is going to be another updated beauty find video where I will let you guys know all the beauty inexpensive products and also let you know the stores that I got them from. So stay tuned. Don't forget to turn on your bell notifications so you can also know when I come out with my video, and you can also, always be on top of it when they come out, because I know there's a lot of things changing on social media, so it would be helpful if you guys could like and comment and let me know, anything you guys would like to see or want to know more about. Let's get this started.
Fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, let's go. Throw that ass in the circle, throw that ass in the circle, fuck it ass in the circle, throw that ass in the circle. Go best friend, go best friend, go best friend, go best friend.
So not too long ago, I'm always in TJMAXX looking for certain things. I don't go there for everything, but for certain little beauty little products I go there to look for. So I just wanted to share so that maybe you beauties can also have it in your kit, or give it to people, or whatever you want to do, or have it for yourself. So first, we're gonna go through TJMAXX. They have a lot of brushes, a lot of brands also for cheap, and I couldn't pass it. Guys, like, look how pretty this is. Look how pretty. Look how pretty this is, guys. Like, seriously. And this is the Beauty and the Brush set. This is by Parish Hilton. And guess how much this only cost me, guys? $9.99. Yeah, that's right, $9.99. Then I could not pass up. We always need fan brushes. So this would be a great tool for loose powders, bronzers, and blush. Also, it helps sweep away across the cheekbones. So you can use this for a lot of things. It's not only for highlight. You can contour, you can sweep away any powder that you have, translucent powder, face powder, whatever. About the beauty blenders that they have there. Now I know certain beauty blenders that are inexpensive, like $3, $4, probably even $5. Sometimes they come so hard and so dense where I don't really use those. So I only like to take the ones that are very soft and cushiony, that can actually help me diffuse my makeup and make it a nice flawless transition. So I came across the Creamy Shop Diamond Cup Blending Sponge for Fab Unicorns, and look how cute that is. So cute. Look, it says you, but isn't it so cute? And this was only $3.99, guys, and it's very soft. Okay, this was $3.99. And I also picked up another one. Now this one, if you can see the shape, this is more good for like angling, once again, contour, any powders. You can use these sponges for a lot of things, so that's why I like this certain angle, because I can use it for certain things. This is how it looks, and you could add powder, mineral foundation to achieve coverage over desired areas. And this was $4.99, and look how pretty this was. So I just go there to get certain brushes when I know I need more like brushes, but I don't want to pay too much, just something for the meantime to pass me by. I go and buy these brushes. I mean, they last me long. I take care of them. So, everyone has a different experience with inexpensive beauty finds. At least I thought this would be very, very, very useful. And this is makeup removing wipes. You can use them for your eyelids, lashes, face, and to remove makeup and cleanse your skin. And guess how much this was, guys? Like, you're not gonna believe me. You ain't gonna believe me. $3.99, girl. $3.99. Say word. Word. And this is makeup removing wipes, and they come with 30. So I got, for the price of $4, 30 individual removing makeup wipes. And these are perfect for when you're on set, to put in your makeup kit, or when you go on vacation that you don't want to carry too much stuff, but you need enough. These are perfect. And I believe that was it from Target. I mean, sorry, why am I saying Target? That is it from TJMAXX. Now, like I said, I shop in different stores for different things. And I just wanted to show you guys each and every beauty finds that I found that maybe could be helpful for you beauties. And it's Mandee's. I went to Mandee's and I had to pick up these Beauty Inexpensive. This beauty sponge, I see it everywhere. And every time when I go to buy it, it's always gone or I can never find them. And this was only $3.99 from Mandee's. I could not pass it. I had to get a pink one. And these are perfect for setting the under eye, definitely. I love the way it's shaped so it can fit, you know, right under the eye perfectly, or angle when you want to like angle, you know, really give a structure to your makeup. These are perfect. These sponges will do the job because you have to remember, although we practice our makeup, but what's also important is that we utilize great tools, because great tools is going to give us that look that we want, you know. So that's another thing to key to, like, you know, getting better at makeup. You have to have the right tools. Also got this Cosmopolitan set, and this was $5.99, and it is a kabuki brush. It's a little bit open, and it's, let me feel it. Oh, it's so soft. Look how cute. Oh my gosh, look how cute. And it's so soft. I don't want to dirty my face. I don't want to like dirty it because I have makeup on, but it is very soft, guys. Like, I love this brush. It's a concealer, buffing your foundation, again, sweeping the powder across your face. Like, these tools could be used for a lot of you know, makeup looks. I also got my hand on the Cosmopolitan powder brush. Now, I feel like this would be good not only to contour, but to sweep away powder, and also to highlight, because the more like the small fluffy brush, it gives like a nice pow highlight, you know, for whatever else you want to use it for. I also went ahead and I also picked up these brushes at Mandee's. These were $5.99, as you can see, and they are called Beautiful by LA Express. So the brand is LA Express, and it comes with about 5 brushes. They have like a dense brush, a flat brush, a shadow brush, a blending brush, and I feel like these are perfect for certain looks, like specific looks that I want to go for to get it right. I feel like these brushes will do the job. So also show you guys what I picked up. I went to DuaneReade. Yes, I went to DuaneReade. When I went to DuaneReade, I specifically went to pick up the new Physicians formula, because I've always loved a Physician formula. I've used their products back like 2 or 3 years ago, and I didn't really want to like put on a lot of foundation for work. So what I would use is like their daily SPF revitalizing serum, like a tinted serum. So it's not really even foundation, it's more like, you know, it's tinted. So I had to go and pick up the, hold on guys, because this is where it gotta be. Guys, what I bought, I got my hands on the new Physician Butter Highlighter Cream 2 Powder Highlighter, and it is in champagne. I cannot wait to use this, guys, like literally. I bought that one, and I also bought the blush, and this is in Natural Glow, because I'm all for like soft or pow subtle looks. I got this at DuaneReade highlighting powder, and this is in Blossom Glow. It's so beautiful. I cannot wait to also use it. Yes, I'm the highlighting queen. Well, not highlight, I like to go to gleam. My hands on the NYX Chromatic Illuminating Powder. It is so pretty, and it is in Lavender Steel for $7.99. Okay, and I've also been inside the beauty supply store, and in the beauty supply I got my hands on the Luminous Glow. This is another highlighting glow that I'm showing you guys. You can use it all over, and this is in the shade of Luminous Glow, and this is from Ruby Kisses. I cannot wait to use all these highlighters. Highlighter, which is like a bronze. Actually, it's a bronze over the rainbow, and it is from Wet n Wild Colorcon Rainbow Highlighter, and it comes like this. Then pore eraser. So this is supposed to minimize your pores. My hands on the Ruby Kisses Extend Illusion mascara because I always like my lashes full. Even though I add lashes, I want to add more for full. It's a concealer brush, and this is great for concealers and also cutting out your crease when you need it to be very sharp and defined. And I also got my hands under the Nickaknewyork palette. This one is in Nude Perfect. And I was so happy to also get this one, and this one's more like a glitter palette, and it's called the 9 Perfect. Yeah, 9 Perfect 9 colors actually. It says Perfect 9 colors for $1.99. $1.99 guys. Or was this City Color Collection lips, and this is in Paris by Night, and it's like you can't really see it here, but it's such a beautiful pinkish reddish. I don't know. No, actually it's like a coral, but very subtle, and I can't wait to use this because this reminds me of Kylie Cosmetics Kristen. It looks like more like a I don't know, that type of pink mauve. Not even mauve, but it's just like, I don't know, I can't explain the color. I hope you Beautets like my video. I'm sorry if it was short, but I just wanted to come on and show you guys what I got. These beauty finds from TJMAXX, to Duane Reade, and from your regular hood beauty supply store. Remember ladies, you can look as long as you find, and you don't have to always spend as much. I'm always showing you guys alternatives. You know, I know there's a lot of like either, you know, teens that haven't worked yet or can't get money and have a little bit of money. So, or even older, whatever the case may be, it doesn't matter what age. I just want to come on to show you guys what you could get for an affordable price. And I really hope that this was really helpful for you ladies. I definitely can't wait to get back on and come on for the next tip. So please, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on next tip. Bye bye.
Fuck it up, let's go. Throw that ass in the circle. Throw that ass in